Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, almost weekend, November the 6th, 2020. Yes, the second Sudoku I will do is a 4-star Sudoku. Is it really a 4-star? I don't know. But this will be a number 1851. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me count this. We have here 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, plus 3 is 10, plus 4 is equal to 14, plus 2 is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 2 is 23, plus 1 is equal to 24. Yes, correct. 1 less than the previous Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Pick. How about... In the middle row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in those two boxes. Here 7, no 7 in that box. Here 7, no 7 in this box. One box left for the 7. Should be there. Then 7 in this column, 7 in and that column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see, yes. Digit number 1. Alright. And now. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. There are 2. No 2 in that box. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. And now. In the third row, wait, 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. And then yeah. Let me think. Yeah. Alright, in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. two of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6 in this big square. We have the 4 and the 6, so no 4 and the 6 in these two boxes. The 4 and the 6 goes in those two boxes. I cannot fill this yet, 4 and the 6, but I will mark them for you, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6, so you can follow it easier. That means the other two boxes in this row are the numbers 1 we have, the 2 and the 8, the 2 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet, let me mark them. It's a pair, 2 and 8. That means 5 should be there. 5, 5. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 4, 4. 8, 8, 8. And a 6, 6, 6. Interesting. 6, 6. 5, 5. All right. 2, 3, 3. Yeah. Not easy at all. 6, 6. Need here 6. All right. Those two here should be, yes, in the third column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. In the third row, we need a 6 in one of those 3 boxes. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here or there. We see here already a 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then all right. Yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. There 9, no 9 in these boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Yeah. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in one of those two boxes in the row below. So in the last row, only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. I need to fill some numbers. Yeah. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, only to place for the 3. Could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 could be here, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. We have a pair. 2 and a 6 in this row. 2 and a 6 in the row above. So that row, the only two places for the 2 and the 6 should be here as a pair. So now we have a 2 and a 6. So now it's easier to figure out what are those 3 missing numbers. 1 is missing. 4 is missing. And the 3 is missing. Well, we have a 3 here. So this in this big square. So no 3 here. Here also a 3. No 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Wow. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So in that column. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Here we have a pair again. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the second row, only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Here we have a pair. Here we have a second pair. So now 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. These two boxes are left in this column for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. Yeah. Need to wait. 2 and 9. 2 and 9. So we have a 3 and a 5 here. What are those numbers in this second row? The 1 and the 5. No, 1 and the 8 are missing. 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. Ay, 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 ay. 1, 8. And a 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing in this big square. The 4 is missing in this big square. And the 8 is missing in this big square. So the 1 and the 4. I see here 1 in this row. I see here the 4 in this column. So 1 and the 4 cannot be in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in these two boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. So the other box in this big square should be the 8. Alright. So now we have one number left in the third row for the number 4. 4 is missing. That means these two numbers in this big square are reserved for the 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And this should be a 4. One number left in the third column for the number 4 is missing. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 6. 4, 6. So that number should be in the 4. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing. The 8 is missing. And the 4 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. The 1 and the 8. Let me mark them for you. 1, 8. In the middle row, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 8, and the 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. The 8 and the 9 are missing. Well, I cannot place the 8 here because we have here an 8. 2 and an 8 in this big square. So here cannot be an 8. This place must be an 8. So this should be a 9. 2 and 8. I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. And now 2 is missing. 9 is missing. And 6 is missing. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those 2 numbers? We see here 9. This cannot be a 9 anymore because I have marked those 2 boxes with a 9. So this should be the 9. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. These 2 boxes should be the 4 and the 2. 4 and a 2. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These 2 numbers in this big square should be the 5 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. 5 and the 8. How about those 2 numbers in this row? Also the 5 and the 8. We have a 8 now. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here saw a 1, no 1 there. Here saw a 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in the second column for the number 5. 5 is missing here. 5, 5. Yes, indeed. A5. 2 numbers left. The 8 and the 2. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Now we have a 5 here. So this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be a 2. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 9 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 6. 1 number left in this column for the 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow! Faster than the previous Sudoku. So I'm very, very pleased. So it's not really a 4-star Sudoku, rather a 3-star Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Do a thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the other 2 Sudokus left, a tectonic and a binary. Bye bye for now.